Asorbotiororeka nukorwase county ya Nyamira twotkana nayo nigo umuchumbe bwebunge ya Bonchari Dr. Charles Onchoke litukolia lera baga go igora bene gosigo chakya bene obwenda ni wech Bursary ase abarokiwa unenchira ya moyo gosira abarokiwa bali abakorwa ase chia mate chitari kwenyara murobere yo ni gokorekana ase chia BC chia CDF imeyebunge ya Bonchari asagania abaiboli wesokya na kwerikya murikeito demo Stephen na manke
Ensemo ya suneka CDF Hall ebunge ya Bonchari nigo mujumbe Dr. Charles Onchoke ara ebikaro byogo chakigwa bene ko muroberi bwechi Bursary ime ebunge yuo.
Our allocation is 48 million. We received 40 million to our launch a weekend and to the check as applicants wa CDF. A team ya CDF on the ground we called it the vetting or legal qualified. We have about 9,200 students who so far qualify. So from next week call to check here na konya wana baito
obotenderi bweke gancha gya CDF nigo bwene kiribuna mbochi kwene kyobo tumeki no bagyo buya bweni buyechi Bursary go cha saboro kigwa bare mechi wodi nye cha Bonchari
nombono mujuma nigaro chinga besa cyo zitaba tukura kini chiche kiriko tomu tiganyare go chitoma chisukura abana baitu batiga goseligu amangana ya masomo anya ko endera abana baitu batiga chisukuru igombi yamano sana asega singia babiri bagokira babiri kuruchugodi nye cha Bonchari no barengega ba witness abantu bonsi tabaka mbalimbali no barengega iga twakirembe yamano na nia site asini mujumbo ito asega singe to
what the problem e crisis kenga sainga most of the students school fees ya bulire and bada banta mangi bwate deni school watarakana na matemu is about register matemu so ndo no mogoko umujumbo ito nakabeka wazi and we are hoping everybody ngo cyari konyore Bursary equally.
CDF is only 6% to administration, meaning 94% goes to projects and development. So of those three, which one works better? Of course, the CDF. And you look at nationally, want to reach in Africa and outside of Africa to copy that model. What you going to make?
Asa mangana ndarengeta chisemi ingane ya junior secondary school na competency based curriculum CBC ya kwanerwa asokobori kwa ruru ase serikali kwene kemerobeli yeyo yagendera igwa sobo ikeranu
entokobori serikali mangana junior secondary school akora kanatara twara chingurumono bache bayarigereri bamenta bali mbaisaine batomechi besa twaga chibras bisaine neki laboratory neki dormitory neki library chikonyi semi icho na CBC era korekana karokene ya kwamire tomonye future ya yeneliye or say it's part of the education system or it's going to be done away with. Dokore some good experiments for too long. It's expensive for the nation, it's expensive for the kids, it's expensive for everybody. We don't have the luxury of waiting. Ko improve on the education systems. Where in Kenya we are doing experiments, we can't do ongoing doing experiments for too long.
Iga samaga chama nena ye semeri ya Coastal Development Fund ime bunge ya Bonchari semeri ya suneka nigo mujumbe Charles Onchoke ina kirivuna chivesa chimilioni 40 nigo chanyarekwa na nukorwa serikali na uchigokonya semeri ye chisemi wetereke gancha gya CDF kuripoteria Ndizi TV koroiga sensemo ya suneka egotoka ime ya Bonchari constituency area